Understanding how your audience communicates and what terms they use can significantly impact the effectiveness of your campaigns. Imagine you're sitting down for a coffee with your ideal customer. What words would they use to describe their needs or challenges? What language resonates with them? This exercise isn't just hypothetical, it's a fundamental step in aligning your keyword strategy with the real conversations and queries of your target market. Every audience has its own dialect, a unique collection of phrases and terms that resonate deeply within their specific cultural or professional context. This dialect can be a mix of common jargon, industry-specific terminology, slang, and even technical language that might seem cryptic to outsiders but is second nature to those within the community. For us as marketers, effectively tapping into this dialect is crucial. It means pushing beyond the surface of generic, broad appeal keywords to uncover those niche terms that truly speak the language of the audience. This exploration into deeper, more resonant keywords allows us to craft messages and campaigns that are not just seen but felt by the audience, enhancing both relevance and connection. This could involve diving into the specialized jargon that professionals in the field might use when they search for tools or services. For example, legal professionals might search for amicus brief rather than just legal help. This is very similar for a tech enthusiast. They might look for overclocking rather than just simply speed up computer. Each term carries nuances that reflect a more precise intent and understanding by the searcher. This deep understanding of your audience's dialect not only enhances the precision of your targeting, but also amplifies the effectiveness of your communication. When your ads speak in the audience's own language, they are more likely to engage because the message resonates on a familiar and comfortable frequency. Putting yourself in the searcher's position now becomes an exercise in empathy and precision. By imagining the search from their point of view, you begin to appreciate not just what they might be looking for, but how they choose to express their queries. This could mean deciding between targeting broad terms that appeal to a larger audience or opting for more specific, technical terms that appeal to insiders within an industry. While diving deep into your audience's language and selecting resonant keywords is crucial, it's equally important to remember that keyword research is not a one-time task. The digital landscape is dynamic, with trends and user behaviors constantly evolving. This means that ongoing testing and refinement of your keyword list are essential practices for maintaining and enhancing the effectiveness of your campaign. Continuous testing involves systematically reviewing the performance of your keywords and adjusting your strategy based on the data collected. This might mean pruning keywords that are not performing well, those that do not bring in the desired traffic or conversion rates, and experimenting with new terms that could potentially capture a greater share of your target market. This iterative process helps you stay relevant and competitive in a constantly changing market. Just as a gardener prunes dead or overgrown branches to allow for new growth, you too should consistently review and refine your keyword selection. This pruning helps you to eliminate costly inefficiencies in your campaigns, ensuring that your budget is spent on keywords that truly contribute to your objectives. Additionally, continually generating new keywords is just as important. This involves keeping a pulse on your industry for emerging trends, listening to customer feedback, and staying ahead of changes in how your audience communicates and searches for solutions. By actively generating and testing new keywords, you can discover untapped opportunities and adapt to shifts in your marketplace. Understanding the spectrum of language used by your target audience, from broad to niche, helps you strategically decide which keywords will most effectively capture their attention and meet their needs. This decision directly impacts how well your campaigns resonate with the intended audience and ultimately how successful they are in converting interest into action.